Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
G'day guys, welcome to vlog number 4 and happy Easter. Hope you haven't been too bored, stuck inside like I have. But these are the things we've got to do. So, decided for this one I was going to talk about my new commuter bag I got. So I've been using the Krieger R30. I've been using that for the last, 5 years or so, and it has been really good. Like it's faultless. It's absolutely good. It's waterproof. It's comfortable. Fits everything I need in there. The only reason why I've looked at getting a new one is because I'm now transporting a laptop, and I wanted a bag that has a laptop compartment, but is similar quality to the Krieger brand. So I did a bit of Googling and I looked at Chrome bags. Now I've had a few Chrome bags from when I used to ride pushies all the time, and I've still got them, and I rode with them for years, and they were absolutely same sort of quality as Krieger, bomb-proof, and I'm pretty sure they come with a lifetime warranty. That's how much they back up their product. From the Krieger R30, which is it's good, it just doesn't have a laptop compartment. That's the only reason. I went and got this one, which is a Chrome Vulcan it's called. Now it costs $265 Australian versus the Krieger, which is about $375 or something like that. About 90 bucks cheaper, say. So I grabbed the Chrome Vulcan, 31 litre capacity as opposed to 30, which is the Krieger. I think it cost me about $275 Australian dollars, and that I'm pretty sure that included delivery from the US. And the main reason I got it, like I said before, is because it comes with a laptop compartment. Now it's advertised as it's a 15-inch MacBook Pro compatible. My laptop is like a gaming rig, so and it's a 15.6 monitor, but it's actually pretty bulky. So I wasn't sure if it was going to fit. So I did a bit of Googling and found that measurements of the internal pocket, and it turns out that my laptop fits perfectly. So it'll fit a 16-inch laptop in there. So that was a big plus for me, because I was trying to find cases and it just was too hard. Unless you've got a MacBook, it's really hard to find one for a gaming rig, unless it's like a gaming backpack, but that's no good for commuting, especially on a motorbike. So it's got a bunch of different compartments in it, and basically it's got one Velcro. So this is the front part, and then in there you've got room for pens. I've got a Kindle in there. You've put in paperwork, pens, whatever you want in there, it all fits. And then there's another little sort of pack behind it. And in here, in the zip compartment, again, I don't know what you want to put in there, paperwork, passport, whatever. And this expands out, so it can actually fit quite a big item in there. book laptop, good for school, whatever it is you're into. The actual opening of it all. The cool thing I like about this is that it folds open this way, so it's just the zipper goes around and that pops open this way. So then you've got this pocket, I guess, put in your phone charger or battery bank thing, hard drive. And in there, this is, you probably won't see it very well, but it's all padded, and that's where my laptop fits in there, which is pretty good. It's a nice simple square design, which I like, because it's just easy to drop stuff in, drop stuff out. It's shaped quite well. So that's why I actually don't mind it too much. Comes in black, comes in a red, and comes in like an olive or a green, however you want to call it. It's also got like these pocket holders here, which will hold your cups, or if you carry a U-lock, if you're one of those messenger people, they'll fit in there. It's got that nice curved back part as well, similar to a Kriega. It's got chest lock. It's actually quite comfortable as well, so it's I don't know if it's quite as comfortable as a Kriega, but it's pretty decent. And then you've also got this little zip compartment in the back here, which if you're a traveller you could put in some important stuff like your passport or, I don't know, travel docs, wallet. It's waterproof, which is good. So it basically does everything that I needed to do. Everything that the Kriega does, but it's a Chrome. And I think a lot of people, especially in the motorbike world, you ask them what backpack and they're always going to go to Kriega. And rightly so, it is a top brand. But if you want something a bit cheaper and something that comes in a bit more, sort of same sort of quality, a bit cheaper, yeah, Chrome is well worth looking into. And like I said, lifetime warranty. So the stuff isn't going to break, and if it does, they're going to replace it or repair it pretty quickly, so that's not a problem. So that's pretty much why I'm going to go from the Kriega to this. I've only worn it a few times though, to be honest. As you can see, it's pretty new. Because of all this lockdown stuff, I literally got it a week before I got sent home from work, so I haven't had to use it to commute other than once, that was it. And now I just take it to the shop, 6-pack of beer, bunch of stuff, it's all good for that. But yeah, it's one of those things. If you're into something if you're after something a bit different, that's not a Kriega, a bit cheaper, but the quality is just as good. Go to their website. They've got a heap of different range of bags, from bum bags, messenger bags, these type of backpacks. They've got actual bag specifics for different laptop sizes. Just obviously MacBook, because that's the most popular one, and all hipsters love it. So yeah, worth checking out. And I reckon I'll give it another proper review once I've ridden with it quite a bit, see how it is in 3 months, or when I can go back to work anyway. See how it holds up. But if it's anything like the other messenger bags I've had from these guys, I know it's going to be bomb-proof. It'll be just as good as a Kriega. So yeah, I hope everyone's good. That's going to be about it for me today. I'm just going to go and find something to watch on TV and chill, and then rinse and repeat tomorrow. See what else is going on. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Catches.